Students, I had promised you that every video I record in Hindi, I am also going to record in English, because a lot of students from South India have joined neetprep.com after we have launched our English course, and I want to make sure that whatever we are providing to students who can speak Hindi is also available to students who are not able to understand Hindi. So the title of this video is Revision Sheets for Mock Tests. So what is happening is, students, when you write test, right? Test is only for 3 hours. But it is very important that before test, you do a revision. And my estimate is any test should take at least 20 hours of revision. And after a test, you should do a post-mortem, right? You sit down with the test and understand why you were not able to do these questions. You sit down with the test and understand why you were not able to do these questions. This post-mortem should take 6 to 7 hours, right? So this total is 30 hours, right? Now, why give so much time? You would think, sir, already we are not able to complete this syllabus. Now you are telling us that in every test we should also give 30 hours. The reason is this: 97 chapters syllabus is huge amount of syllabus. You would always be uncomfortable with the fact, do I remember the things that I studied 2 months back? I am studying ecology today. Do I remember anything in the chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants which I read 2 months earlier? The logic of giving test is, when you are doing this revision, right, along with completing the syllabus, you are also revising what you have studied earlier, because you have to write the test, and that way your revision is happening and you would be able to remember things as you go along. And since you are going to write 25 tests, if you have joined our test series, so 25 times your revision will happen if you are properly following our schedule, right? So this is extremely important. Now to do this revision, what we are doing is, we are going to provide you revision sheets. We are going to provide you revision sheets initially in biology and physical chemistry, and after that we are going to provide for remaining chapters as well. So biology and physical chemistry is going to be 38 plus 11, 49 chapters, right? These we will upload in next 1 month. What you have to do is, you have to go to Telegram channel of NeetPrep and join it to get these revision sheets, right? These will help you revise one chapter in 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and this will be extremely useful for this revision purpose. This will be done by the 3 toppers of whom you have seen the videos already: Utkarsh, Kashish and Virinder. So they would be preparing revision sheets for you. They are toppers, they know best, and they will exactly understand what you need to prepare properly, right? So the purpose of this video was to tell you about these revision sheets. The link of NeetPrep Telegram channel is in the description of the video. You can go there, join the Telegram channel. It would be extremely helpful for you. So I told you how to revise before mock test, right? What to do after completing the test? What to do after completing the test? So understand this. After you have done post-mortem, right? This will help you identify your weak areas. And next time when you revise, you are going to revise only your areas which are weak, because your marks are going to improve if you spend more and more time on your weak areas, and you know your weak areas only after you write this test. That is a huge purpose of writing tests. If you're not going to write test, you would not know what your weak areas are, and then you would end up revising everything, and you will not be able to revise anything, because there isn't enough time to revise everything in 97 chapters. Understand this. So this is the purpose of the post-mortem. What to do after completing the test. One more thing which I wanted to tell you in this video is, a lot of students are telling us that the schedule that we are following, especially schedule number 1 and 2, it is not matching to the test series schedule. So I acknowledge that problem, and what we are going to do is, we are going to provide you 3 to 4 bonus tests which are exactly as per schedule, right? Bonus tests as per schedule, so that you are able to write the test right now. That problem goes away, right? Finally, students, I've written here, is writing test enough to get selected in NEET? Understand what I'm going to say carefully. Don't get confused in what I'm saying now. If you don't write test, you're not going to get selected in NEET 100%. If you're not going to practice with the test before the exam, you will go into the exam and you will get into panic. You will not be able to perform, your hands will freeze, your mind will not work because your body is not attuned to being ready to write a 180 question test and finish it in 3 hours, right? So it is extremely important that you practice test before you go into the exam on 3rd May. The other thing is, it is not just enough to write test. What I mean by that is, we are saying you should watch our videos. If you have purchased the course, take notes. After that, read NCERT, right? After that, write mini test, which is a chapter-wise test, 20 to 25 questions. After that, there would be a live session in which faculty would come from our side and tell you how to solve these problems so that you understand this is how you apply concepts into solving problems. And after that, you finish 100 questions of physics, chemistry and 200 questions of biology from our question bank available on neetprep.com, right? If you have not done this, if you have just read some book, read theory and you thought about yourself, okay, let me buy test series from neetprep.com in 3000 rupees, my preparation would be complete, you are absolutely wrong. If you have not done all this preparation, then there is no point writing tests. There is no point writing tests. So it is extremely important that you prepare properly and then write test. If you are just writing test without preparation, you will keep getting 100, 150, 200 and that is not going to take you anywhere. So it is extremely important, students, that you remember still 7 months are remaining. 7 months means you can easily study 2100 hours, 210 days remaining, every day 10 hours. You can study 2100 hours very easily. So it is not too late. We have started our September batch on 15th September. Join it, prepare properly. If you give this time, your marks will definitely improve. But if you are just thinking, okay, I will write tests and become a hero, that would not happen. So hopefully you have understood what I was trying to tell you. To summarize, in the video description, there is Telegram channel link of NEET-Prep. Join it. You will get these revision sheets from toppers of Safdarjung, Utkarsh, Kashish and Virender. You will also see their videos in which they will explain that revision sheet. We will start uploading those videos soon. Second thing is, don't give tests without preparing. Prepare properly. We have started our September batch. If you want to join this, you can call me on this number 96675 91930 and I will tell you how you can prepare in the remaining 7 months using NEET-Prep video course. Alright, students.